Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wix members area for secure UI experiences. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Once in the dashboard, locate and select the members section from the left-hand menu. Click on the Manage Members option to access your member settings. Next, ensure that the members area is enabled for your site. If it's not enabled, click on the option to add the members area to your site. Now, navigate to the site menu and choose Customer Management. Under Customer Management, select Members area to configure authentication settings. You will see the option to create a login and sign-up page. Customize the look and feel of your login and sign-up forms according to your site's design. Make sure to enable email verification for new members to enhance security. Next, set up member privileges by determining which content is accessible. To do this, go to the Permissions section of your Wix dashboard. Here, you can adjust settings to restrict access to specific pages based on membership status. Ensure you save all changes as you make adjustments to these settings. After configuring permissions, it's time to test your setup. Log out of your site and attempt to access restricted content. You should be redirected to the login page, confirming that authentication is working. Once logged in, verify that members can access the content they're entitled to. Finally, review the overall user experience on both desktop and mobile versions to ensure it is seamless. With these steps, you have successfully authenticated your Wix members area for secure UI experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.